get the bar down to, what is it, 10. Okay. Right, let's loop that around. Just stick that on. Right, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to play it, right, and I'm going to go through, look at these cuts, man, to see how they need tightening up. Because you can see, you have to just pay attention to the waveform. Right, I tell you what, it's not that deep. Right, let me have a look. There's a bit of a pop at the start of that. I can hear it. You know what, screw this. I'm just going to go. This is hard work. Right, okay, so... There you go. That's a gnarly. There you go. That would do me. That sounds lovely. All that messing about. Convert that to a phrase now. Let's go. So we're going to jump into a phrase. For those of you who want to see more phrase content, you know, comment down below. I've already got quite a few videos on phrases as well. And they're really a good way of building drum patterns, man. Alright, so we got that one, right? So we're going to put these to keys. Let's just do a little quick key map for that amen there. See, it's mad. I put this track down for a while now, and now I've come back to it. You know what I mean? And I've had a good night's sleep. It's great. You know, you know, it's what can I say? It's like fresh airs for me. Duplicate, right? So I'm going to do another pattern now, and then I'll just give it. Nice little vibe there. You'd be surprised what all these little edits can do later on. There you go. Try some of that. Then let's do this one now again. So we just boom. Just some quick vibes there because I want to do some more stuff. Oh, okay, undo, back one. Right, so we got some nice flavours there. Boom, boom. Duplicate that. So, duplicate. And then let's do a little. And then let's do a little S command there, I believe it is. S command there, S10 there. So let's do 99, and then let's do select all, and then Apple I. Nice little crazy edit there. Sweet as, man, sweet as. Then we're going to do the same again. Duplicate that, chuck that there. Do the same for this. And we got a nice little pretend time stretch there. Sweet. So now we got some interesting stuff going on. Let me get the keyboard out. Okay, so here we go. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, great. All right, so that's that. So we pop that in there now, and then uh-oh, where is it? It's down here. Right, so we've got some cool edits now, right? So let's get this out of the play now. Okay guys, just to let you know, I'm doing all of the samples in this project, including the arrangement file, the whole entire arrangement, bounce out stems, and also all of these individual samples and breaks as well that are now in a phrase format as well. So you've got your individual phrases and stuff like that. So the reason why I've done the phrases as well is so that you can just literally just press a key and put the beats at literally any tempo, and it will work straight into your projects. I've got the breaks used here. All of them are timed up, BPM to whatever BPM you want to do, and also the whole arrangement, so you can load it up, you can check it out. The pack's now available at samploids.com. Go there, grab it. I'll put a link in the description. Also, you'll be supporting the channel by grabbing the pack and mess about with the samples on there and get a feel for how this all works. Also, for those of you who are the patrons, the pack is now available to download on the Patreon, free of charge, obviously, because you're already a patron. So that's big up to you guys for showing the support, showing love, keeping the channel going. Yes, guys, big up. All right, so let's go back to here. So now, on the second drop, right, so now let's do this, right? What we're going to do is and let me put this through the compressor. Whoa, okay, yeah. Let's switch that. Blow up the thing, you know. Right, let's get the volume on that track. Switch that off. You want to switch that track off there. The phrases tend to roll over, you see. Right, let's not have it so loud. That's proper killing it now. Yeah. Alright, so we go with that for now. Alright, we'll roll that over for a minute. Right, again, we got to chop the beats here again. And then I'm going to do, yeah, one of those in there instead. Boom, boom. Right, so let's put that there. One of those in there. So you can go through and edit lots, man. You know what I mean? But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to keep it simple as well. And simple's not a bad thing either. Right, so the amen comes in there. Right, we're going to go too wild now. There we go. Right, so now we got all right, so we got another one here now. So we got there, that will be on the end. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Right. So we got that. and then one of those on the end there. I think that should do it. And then I'm just going to get rid of this. Okay, peeps, this video is part of a multi-series. Look out for the next one. Please smash that like button if you want to see more quicker. Big up, man. Take care. God bless. Peace.